Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In these installation instructions, we will walk you through the replacement of an Audi A6 Allroad Quattro C5 rear air strut with a new Arnott air strut. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Now remove the air pressure from the rear air spring and deflate the air spring by slowly removing the air fitting from the bottom. Also loosen and remove the upper mounting bolts. Next, loosen and remove the bolt connecting the shock to the lower control arm. Then remove the wheel speed sensor. Now use a paint marker to mark the lower control arm washer, which is important for alignment. Now remove the bolt from the lower control arm. Pull down on the top mount to remove it from its mounting location. The shock is now ready for removal. Pull it up and out. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now install the air strut onto the vehicle. Then install the bolt into the lower control arm and tighten, realigning the previously made alignment mark. Next, reinstall the wheel speed sensor as well as the bolt that connects the shock to the lower control arm. Install the upper mounting bolts and tighten. Then remove the white plastic shipping pin and insert the air line. Now reinstall the wheel and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear Audi A6 Allroad Quattro air strut with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.